I want to show you how influencers with a moderate Instagram following are using affiliate marketing and ManyChat to make thousands of dollars every month in residual income with just one post. Let's go. Here's a simple formula. You educate, you state the benefits, and give the viewer a call to action. Now, this influencer over here has made a 1-minute video about the benefits of a supplement, and at the end of it, he has a call to action where he asks the viewer to enter a keyword in the comments section. He used NanoMG 2025 in this example. And if your video does this right, this is going to drive engagement with your audience, which in turn is going to help the algorithm show this video to a wider audience, helping the influencer grow their audience. But the bigger win here is when the audience makes a comment, this is going to automatically trigger a message within the system. So if you go to the chats now, you'll have an automated message that will show from this influencer the link directly to the product. This is redirecting through their affiliate link, and now you're going straight to that page, making it super easy for them to buy. ManyChat is an affordable tool that every Instagrammer out there should be utilizing. If you want to see this in action yourself, go ahead and type the word many into the comments section and see this process for yourself when my ManyChat sends you my link to the pro version, which you can get 100% free for the first month to try out. Good luck out there and keep making that dollar.